Still at the WordCamp conference, and I'm here with Toyin. I'm here with a friend. I've known Toyin for about 3 to 4 years now. Yeah, everyone I've been meeting, I've been telling them I've been meeting them for about 3 to 4 years. But there's something special about Toyin. Is the lead developer at Source Studios. NG, is there NG?
Yes.
And we've done quite a number of projects together. You might be looking at him, he's looking like a small boy. He's got a lot of projects in his portfolio. And Toyin is also an SEO expert. The Source Studios is a web development company. They've done a lot of beautiful projects. I'm sure you'll be able to check them out. But Toyin is here to tell us about the importance of websites to small businesses. And the next voice we're going to hear is Toyin's. I'm going to be asking a few questions. So Toyin, why do you think small businesses should have a website when they are on Instagram? They're already saying on Instagram, they're on Twitter, on Facebook. What is the importance of websites to small businesses?
First thing is we are in a
the small business owners are looking at you.
So we're in a global space now, and I'm sure if you want to do anything, the first place you go to is to look for it on Google. Right, so you need a website. First thing is you go to Google and for web designers around you and things like that. Things like this don't show up with your Facebook profile or your Instagram pages. So if you can't be found when people are looking for you, so you are only selling to your close people, right? But there's a very big market out there for everybody. People search every day for things that they need. So you can get more into your business. You can make more when you have a website. And there's always this myth that you need a very big budget to have a website, and if you don't have up to maybe 400 grand, you can't have a website and things like that. You can have a website, basic website that talks about your business, what's structured with it for less. Right? So the main reason why you need a website is because of exposure. You need people, you need to be seen, you need to be found when people are looking for you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we're talking about need to be seen, need to be found, but why so for a small business that makes bids, that does, so do you mean that when the small businesses go online, they automatically get found on Google, or do they need to go extra mile? What happens?
Oh, okay, so there is a process.
Okay.
First thing is you need a website.
Okay, one?
Yes. Secondly, okay, so before you do your website, when you consult a developer or a designer to do your website for you, look into what you do, the kind of business you are into. Then they do keyword planning, analysis, they know your competitors.
Keyword planning, analysis,
yes.
Know your competitors.
Know your competitors and everything. Then from there you build your website. You have a website. Then when you do your website, you incorporate these keywords. Keywords are what people type into Google. So now you talk about someone that makes accessories. Say if I want to say beads sellers in Lagos, I sell beads and I want to be seen when people search for bead sellers. That's a keyword. I need to incorporate that keyword into my website.
Okay.
So when people search for things like that, my website comes up. But you just don't put in keywords on your website. After you do your website and everything, you still need to link your website to Google. There's what we call crawling.
Okay, so Toyin, you're going very technical. So what is the word used for the overall word?
Okay, so that's the search engine optimization.
Because,
yes.
These people don't know what crawling is.
Yes, okay, so that's search. It means you optimize your website for search engines. Search engines are things like Google, Bing, and Yandex.
Okay.
Those are places where people go to search for services and products.
Okay, so Toyin is, like I said earlier, is the lead developer at Source Studios. Is my competitor, but Toyin also can build really good and affordable website. When I mean affordable, I don't mean 10,000, 20,000, or even 50,000, but really good affordable website. So can you tell us a little bit about Source Studios and how people can get in touch with you And I also know that Toyin is a YouTuber. I've been telling him to make videos. He actually makes tutorials for small businesses. So if you want to build your website, do it yourself. You want to build your e-commerce website and you don't want to pay people like him. He makes videos for people like you. So Toyin is going to tell us about Source Studios and his YouTube channel and what you should look forward to.
Okay. So Source Studios, we're a web development agency. We build websites, we do web applications. We work with small businesses and corporate organizations. For us, it's all about simple websites. You know, it doesn't have to be cumbersome and everything. We go from like zero to basics. What satisfies you and what actually satisfies the customer. So we move you from just your global business and turn you, just your small business and turn you to a global business. I mean, so you can be seen. So somewhere from anywhere in the country or anywhere in the world can actually see you and know about your product. You can visit us. The website is sourcestudiosng.com.
You see it as you're seeing on your screen.
SAUCE studiosng.com. My YouTube channel, I've not done that in a while, but I have a tutorial on YouTube that talks about how to build an e-commerce store with free templates, free plugins, and you can set up your store and start making money.
I'll put the link on the screen so
you can start making money without paying. You just need the time, watch the video, follow the video and things. My YouTube channel, you see the link below, so you can click it and you can watch the video. And if you have any questions, feel free.
And then you can follow him at Source. I don't know why he uses Source. So it's not Source as in SOURC.
It's Sauce. You know,
like
that's something
chicken sauce.
Yes. It gives it taste.
So
it gives your website life.
Source.
Yes, that's underscore Source Studios. No, that's underscore Source Code. That's my Twitter handle.
So I'll put that too. Thank you, Toyin. And do I get a free website or a discount on my next big OT?
Yeah, we can talk about that.
This video. All right, thank you guys for watching. And, see you later.
Yeah, have a nice day.
And then build your website.
You need a website.
Yeah.